from the station that's on your side. This is Channel 7 News Good Morning Arkansas.
Yes, folks, it's that time to already start thinking about school supplies like lunch boxes and immunizations. That's important too. Baptist Health has free immunizations planned at a variety of shot clinics coming up, and even some extra help with the school supplies. So joining us this morning with Baptist Health's community outreach is Rachel White, who is a registered nurse, and Leititia Bailey. Thank you guys so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Is it shocking sometimes when you're telling parents, oh, it's July and we got to start thinking back to school? Leititia, this is something that is tough to think about when it's the dead of the summer like now, but it is important for folks to remember, especially those immunizations, right?
That is correct.
What do you guys have coming up to help folks out about that? Let's talk first about immunizations and why people should get them. Rachel, as a registered nurse, I know you probably have had some people tell you no, but you have to explain to them why it's important.
Well, immunizations start at birth.
Okay.
And it goes through young adulthood. And it's like putting on an armor of protection to protect you from diseases like polio, pertussis, which is whooping cough, just different disease processes. And that's why it's important that the children take them. So if there's an outbreak or something, even if they get the disease, it will not be as severe on them as it would if they hadn't taken their immunizations.
And Leititia, how are you guys helping out getting those immunizations to those who need them?
We're extremely excited this year. We are offering free immunization clinics throughout Central Arkansas during the month of August, and we to help the parents make sure that their children are properly vaccinated before school starts.
Okay, and remember, some schools, or most schools, say that if your child is not vaccinated, they can't.
That's correct.
They can't attend until they are vaccinated.
That's
correct.
Correct.
With the doctor's no. Okay, so where are these clinics going to be held at?
Our next clinic will be Monday, August the 1st at Dunbar Community Center at 16th and Chester Street from 1 until 4 p.m. Okay. And then after that, we have 8 additional clinics, free immunization clinics before school starts, but there will be one after school starts on August the 17th. And so that will be at St. John Missionary Baptist Church from 3 until 6:30 p.m.
You have clinics all over Little Rock. I'm looking at this
do.
list right now. There is no excuse not to show up for one of these free clinics. Folks, look, there's more right there. Rose City, North Little Rock Academy, they're everywhere, and different dates. It's very accommodating, it seems like.
Yes, we do have some during the week and also on Saturday. So.
Okay, wonderful. No excuse, folks. No excuse, because Baptist Health is here for you. Rachel, what do parents need to bring with them in terms of paperwork and whatnot to get the kid vaccinated?
Parents need to bring the child's shot record.
Okay.
And if they have Medicaid, they also need to bring proof of coverage. Although we do not charge for the shots, but we do need that information.
Where can they find the shot record? Is that something?
The health department.
So get it from if they can't find it at home, get it from the health department.
Yes.
Okay, so remember that, folks. I misplace things all the time, so I understand those parents out there who maybe don't know where the shot record is. Get it from the health department before you go to one of those clinics. And Leititia, I see you guys are offering some incentives this year. What are those?
Yes, we are giving all children that receive immunizations a free backpack, as you can see here, with school supplies and a personal hygiene kit included.
Really?
But also at the sites, we do have stickers and trinkets and fun things, snacks to keep the kids occupied, because you know it can be a little weight.
Okay. Rachel, we've seen a lot of social media posts over the past few years. Some folks out there saying that they don't want their child to be immunized. As a registered nurse, what do you tell people to comfort them and get them through that process if they have any worries about something like that?
Well, I've been giving immunizations for the past 8 years through Baptist Health Community Outreach. And to my knowledge, we have not had any severe adverse reactions to the immunizations. But if the parent is uncomfortable with some specific shot, they should talk with the child's doctor prior to coming to one of these clinics, which, by the way, there are plenty of clinics available to you folks, so make sure you take advantage of that. And the free school supplies I mentioned earlier. A new report came out saying that Americans are expected to spend $8 billion more than last year on school supplies alone. And this one, you don't have to spend anything.
Right.
You just come get it for free, thanks to Baptist Health. And as they always do, they keep on amazing. Ladies, thank you guys so much for coming in this morning. Thank you for all the work you do, Leititia and Rachel. We appreciate you both. Thank you.